In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a video to your strip background in Wix Opening. To start with, you need to initiate the process by going to the Wix editor for your site. As soon as you're in the website dashboard, your immediate next task is to find the strip that you wish to edit. It's important to select the right strip so that you correctly apply the changes to your preferred area of the site. Once you have the strip in mind, the next step would involve changing the strip background. This is achieved by selecting the Change Strip Background option. In context, this option is instrumental for initiating the process of adding a video to the strip background. Following this, click on the Available Video option. This feature enables you to select a video. A demonstration of selecting one from the available stock videos is also shown to facilitate the process. The video tool is valuable as it broadens your options in terms of selecting the content for your strip background. Subsequent to your video selection, the video will be applied to your strip background. This outcome essentially means you have successfully managed to add a video to your strip background. Yet, there are more features that you can adjust to ensure that the video suits your site accordingly. By clicking on Settings on the video background, you're given the option to add a pattern overlay. This allows you to add a pattern of your choice on top of the video, giving you creative liberty to make the depiction more intriguing. In addition, there's an option to add a color overlay. Similar to the pattern overlay, this will simply allow you to add a color of your choice to the background video. This could come in handy for branding purposes or simply making your site more aesthetically pleasing. As for adjusting the video position, this aspect takes into account where the video sits or plays on the strip. It is a crucial feature as it impacts both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your website. You also have the flexibility to adjust the play speed of the video. This implies you can control how fast or how slow the video plays on your site. Finally, you are given a choice of whether the video loops or not. This could be a handy feature for short videos or snippets that you want visitors